Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to all of our channels. And this is Squeakee, and I got him for my birthday, and I even got another one! And I got a bunny back there and everything. I got a lot of stuff. Do you remember in that channel I made him do stuff? That's that. I'll explain him about you. He's really cute and I like him a lot. He has a lot of cool things he can do. Like, he's just a balloon, but he's a live balloon. Yeah, I don't know how he is a live balloon dog, but he's actually a little hard. So first, if you have a needle, you poke him like that. Whoa, Squeakee, don't hurt yourself. If you want to feel him and make him go back or something, like, you do this. And then when you do it in 2 turns, and look, see? And when you do a squeak toy thing like this, it'll not push. You sat on your stuff, Squeakee. Okay, stand up. Stand up. You stand up. Here, hold the ball. You did it! Ah, my ball! Oh, that's how you do? Do it. Oh, there you go, buddy. Pop. Okay, watch out from the camera, Squeakee. You what?
What's your favorite thing to do with Squeakee?
Make him go
Potty!
potty. Bye guys. Thanks for watching this video.
Don't forget my subscribers, Squeaky. Stop. Bad doggy.